Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm by the name Jane Elizabeth. I've come to present research and AI. We, for the first time users, if you want to make research using AI, there are two things you can use. You can either use YouTube for watching the videos, the tutorials. You can either use the Google in ChatGPT. You can use those other AI apps to look for informations you really want, the details, or do your coursework or exercise at home. So if you want to make research on something you don't know very well, you want to know something about certain topic or coursework given, you don't know how to approach it, or the notes which are given are very hard to understand but you want it to be simplified, you can come and use ChatGPT, or you can watch it on YouTube. So we are first going to see how to use ChatGPT for searching for information. We're waiting for our Google account to open. Be patient a little. Be patient a little. Waiting for the Google account to open. Computer is a bit slow. So when our Google account opens, I can now make the research. I'm opening my account to make the research. Wait a little bit so you can make research here. As you can see, you can say chat. Click on it, ChatGPT will be brought here. Waiting a little bit. Yeah, when you click on this link for ChatGPT, waiting for the ChatGPT to open. You can use it for doing very many research. As a student, this can help you to do other work given to you. So we can say, like a question given like what is a computer? You can ask for anything. Then you send your request. Your answers will be given with immediate effect. So we can see our question has been answered. The computer is an electronic device and it has very simplified notes. You see? As we can see, these are the details of what? A computer, as we can see. So you can even tell him, I want to know more. Add more details. Tell ChatGPT, add more details. It will also give you the same answer. Any subject you want to make research on, you can just come here and ask questions. It will tell you everything. These are details which are added. You can ask for anything using ChatGPT, as we are seeing. So AI has a critical thinking a bit more than human beings, and it's fast. Doesn't get tired. Even if you keep on asking the same thing, or you abuse it, or you want to fight with it, it doesn't accept that because it is a program that is inserted in a computer by human. It can also be created in form of what? Robots, and performing duties such as operations as a doctor, lecturing in lecture rooms, giving students what they need, distributing, working as a cleaner. They can do all that. You also want to learn on how to use what? YouTube. For what? For making videos. You can also come to the same thing. Come to your Chrome, look for the YouTube for you to do research. Using YouTube, you can make online tutorials. You can learn how to do very many things. using YouTube to make research. So there are very many ways you can get to make research. So when you open your YouTube, for example, this one will open in our YouTube. So YouTube can also help you in doing research. If you don't know something, just come to YouTube, you type something. You can ask for anything you wish. You have videos here. It's not only meant for watching movies. It's also meant for doing research. If you want to ask, you want to do how to read books, you can also ask here how to read books. YouTube helps you in seeing very many things, how to read books. Make research on YouTube and you watch videos. As we see, there are many videos here, and you can watch and understand. You can even look for a topic like in biology. You come and search for it, and then after searching for it, you can now see videos are here. Reading skills, read faster and remember more. Then you watch and learn video. After watching, you will understand. It will be more simplified than you expect. So that is how to use YouTube.
The job of a U.S. Marshal is to apprehend fugitives,
Don't
criminals
forget
on the
to
run
like.
from justice. In my day,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more. Thank you.